The Driller Killer is about an artist, Reno, living in a downtown New York loft apartment with his girlfriend Carol and her girlfriend Pamela. The pressures of modern life, along with a looming deadline, causes Reno to do a little bit of murdering on the side. This film was banned in the UK when the 1984 Video Recording Act came into effect. It was put onto what was known as the Video Sorry about the noise.